If you love pho, then you gotta try Ginger, a small mom and pop Vietnamese joint on Queen Street West that operates similar to a fast food joint. The food's cheap with the added bonus of the owners and staff always being so extremely kind. So when the sun finally showed itself in the city, giving my pale winter skin the much needed vitamin D, I made my way to Ginger for lunch on a Tuesday afternoon. While pho would have been nice, I also wanted some cold noodles. So I placed my order, got my number, and grabbed my cutlery with all my side sauces. Sriracha is a non negotiable. The ambience here is a mix of cozy home meets people watching, featuring the everyday finance bro jaywalking and talking to his Apple Watch while an Uber driver honks at him to move out of the way. I digress. Girl math is scarfing down my food in the 15 minutes I have left while mentally calculating the time it'll take me to walk back to the office. Trust me when I say Ginger is the perfect spot for a quick, delicious meal that always feels like home.